Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Top 10 School and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Open terminal and run Flutter. Create your app name. Then open it in VS Code. Click on the lib folder. Inside it you will find a file named main.dart. This is the heart of your Flutter app. Here you can edit it the way you like to create your app. Now run this command. You will see a list of connected devices. To run on Windows, use this command. Also, to run on Chrome or Edge, replace Windows with the browser name in this command. I have included all these commands in the description below. And boom, your Flutter app is running. Click the button and it increments the counter.